What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the cabin air filter on a 2022 Chevy Corvette. Like I said, this is a 22 Corvette here, but it will be the same on a few different years. So our cabin air filter is going to be located in the front storage compartment of the vehicle. As you can see, I already have the front hood up. Then there's a few plastic pieces of trim that we need to remove. We take a look right here. You can see this piece, and if you can just kind of get your fingers on the bottom of it, and then this will come off, and you eventually kind of want to pull straight out this way. We can set that to the side, and we'll go over to the other side and do the same thing. Set that to the side. Now we need to remove this center plastic piece. Just start on the side and just pick up, work your way around. Over here, do the same thing. So get that off, we can set that to the side. And then with that off, we can see our battery right here. And then we have the access door to the cabin filter right here. And the way this comes off is there's these clips on both sides that you pinch in, pinch like that. Same thing over here. And that access door comes off, and now we can see our cabin filter right here. And this one, there's only about 2,000 miles on this car, so this one doesn't need to be changed. But when you do put your new one in, you just make sure you want the airflow going towards the rear of the vehicle. Airflow going towards the rear of the vehicle. And then to put it back together, you reverse everything we just did. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory, so I'm not going to show you all that. The only one thing I do want to point out is on these plastic pieces, there's these little clips, and sometimes they come off like this. So just make sure that they're pushed all the way on there like that. And that's it. Pretty simple, really. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.